Friends, today we are going to conduct a no-load test and block rotor test on a three-phase induction motor. So the aim of this experiment is to develop an equivalent circuit and draw the circuit diagram from the no-load and block rotor test parameters. Then we can determine the various performance parameters of a three-phase induction motor. So the nameplate details, these are the nameplate details. So the speed is 1440 rpm here, and then the rated voltage is 415, the rated current is 4.8. Next, three phase and the frequency is 50 Hz. Next, it is a 2.2 kilowatt 3 HP machine. The circuit diagram for conducting the no-load test is here. So this circuit consisting of three-phase supply and triple pole single through switch. This is a three-phase variac and a voltmeter to measure the voltage and the current measured by the ammeter, and these are the two wattmeters to measure the no-load power. And here the rotor is completely loosened so that it is acting as a no-load condition. So it is completely loosened, so it is can freely move on. Now ensure that the variac is in minimum output position, so which is indicating the 0 voltage. Now start the experiment with the help of TPS switch, which is closed. Now apply the rated voltage to the motor. The voltage is gradually applied. Now here this is the voltage 415 volts we are applying. So this is a scale which is connected to 600, but the scale is 300, so we need to take the multiplication of 2. So we need to apply 415 volts. Okay, 415 volts. Now note down the reading of ammeter current. So it's around 2.1, and then here the wattmeter reads negative value. Wattmeter reads negative value because no load condition, the power factor of induction motor is very low. That's why it is reading a negative value. Just make this reverse to forward to reverse condition. Then you can see that the wattmeter reading is showing the 50, 60, 50. Then so we have to take this as a minus value, and then this wattmeter is in the forward direction, and this is a plus 60. So note down this readings. Note down the readings on the observation table here. This is a 415. Voltage is 415. The no load current is 2.1, and this is a minus 50. This is a minus 50, and wattmeter, second wattmeter reading is plus 60. Then for both the wattmeters, the multiplication factor is, so it is connected to the 10 amps and the 600 volts. The multiplication factor is 8. So we need to take the multiplication factor of 8. So the total value is W1 plus W2, which is equal to 10 into 8, because it's a minus 50 plus 60, 10. So this is 80 watts is the no load power. Now bring back the variac to the initial position. Gradually it is reducing to 0. Then open the TPS switch. So this completes the no load test on three-phase induction motor. So the speed is gradually decreasing. Next we will see the block rotor test. And this is a circuit diagram for the block rotor test. Here the rotor is blocked by the pulley, which is, so it is completely tightened so that it cannot rotate. So this is called a block rotor. Now we'll start the experiment. So just you see that this is in a minimum condition, and next close the TPST switch. Next, gradually vary the variac so that ammeter reads the rated current. We should not increase to the maximum value suddenly. The ammeter reads the rated current. So the rated current of a motor is 4.8 amps. So I'm applying 4.8 amps is the rated current. Now note down the reading of a voltmeter. Then take the reading of this ammeter. Next take the reading here. So this is in the negative direction. So we need to move it to the forward. Huh? So it is again showing 50 was less than 50. Then take the reading of wattmeter 2. So here again for this also the multiplication factor is 8 only. So one wattmeter is reading the value of 60, and another wattmeter is reading the value of 10. So note down this. So initially this voltage is 60 volts, so it will be multiplied with 2. So 60 into 2, this is a 120 volts, and the voltage is 4.8, and wattmeter is reading the value of 10, and another one is reading the value of 60. So the multiplication factor is again 8. So 70, 60 plus 10, 70 into 8. This is 560 watts. This is the no load reading of an under block rotor condition. So now bring back the variac to the minimum position. So showing 0. Now open the switch. Next, loosen the no load test on 3-phase induction motor. So from the block rotor test and no load test, we got the observations here. By using these observations, we'll do the model calculations. From the no load test, we are finding the R0 and X0, and from the block rotor test, we are finding these parameters. So to draw the circuit diagram, we need to take the value of I0 and phi 0, this is the phase angle, and then cos phi SC, and this is the phase angle of phi SC, then ISN. Now the input power is calculated by using this formula. Then we need to take the scale. For current scale, 2 amps is equal to 1 centimeter, and therefore ISN current is 16.6. Then I0 is 1.1 centimeters. And then we know the power factor of phi 0 and phi SC, and then we have the full load power scale of 1.03. Okay, by using this we can draw the graph, circle diagram. So we have to take the no load and no load power factor and short circuited power factor. From this you can find out the full load conditions. So this is the diagram for drawing the for the circle diagram for induction motor. Now from this circle diagram we can obtain the full load current and power factor at full load condition, and then we can determine the maximum torque and the output, maximum output. This is the maximum output. You can find it by using the graph. and the maximum torque, the full load torque and the full load output, and also you can find the efficiency, and then the slip also you can find it. So the full load speed is now 1240.5 rpm. So these are the conclusions from the circle diagram. Parameters you can also find out from the circle diagram. So this is an equivalent circuit of a 3-phase induction motor under no load condition, and this is a equivalent circuit under block rotor test. So these are the results which we can obtain from the no load and block rotor test of an 3-phase induction motor. Thank you.